What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be going over what's new, followed by my commentary on how I installed macOS Ventura and my experience over the last, I want to say 48 hours, roughly. No, 72 hours with this update. Let's get started. Here's what's new with the tips. We go to our first tip.
Schedule when to send an email. An email shows a message with a photo of friends attached. In the mail toolbar, the pointer clicks the pop-up menu next to the send button. From the options that appear, send 9:00 p.m. tonight is selected.
So scheduling emails, you could schedule an email to send at 9 p.m. Tonight. Sorry for the dogs in the background. Then we go next.
Quickly find a photo in Spotlight. In the Spotlight search field, the words flowers photos are typed. A list of results appears below the search field, and the pointer selects a photo of flowers. A larger preview of the photo appears.
So you could do a Spotlight search to have a search, say you want to search for a flower, type of flower, daisy. I don't know why I want to use daisy, or sunflower. Want to think about warmer things while it's cold out, as we go towards winter.
Edit to text message. A message is control clicked, then edit is clicked. When the message appears in the message field, the word lunch is changed to brunch, then the check mark is clicked.
You can edit a message. If you accidentally send that message saying, hey, we're meeting up for lunch on Sunday, oops, I could edit that and change it to brunch instead of lunch.
Collaborate in messages. In a group text message, a banner appears that reads, Antonio made edits to, places to hike. The show button is clicked, and a share note titled, places to hike opens.
You can collaborate in iMessages to like a place where you and a group of friends are meeting up to hike. You can now edit that and make that feature nice.
Share a photo library. In the Photos app, photos from the personal library are shown in the All Photos view. The pointer clicks the Share Photo Library menu in the toolbar, then chooses Shared Library. Different photos appear.
Just like iOS, you can now share your photo library from macOS too.
Focus on your apps. Multiple apps are open on the desktop. The pointer clicks the Control Center icon in the menu bar, then clicks the Stage Manager button. The app windows rearrange themselves into a column of apps on the side, with one app featured in the center of the desktop.
Alright, so we have Stage Manager, just like iPadOS. I haven't got to figure out how Stage Manager works with VoiceOver that much on macOS, preferably of iOS. If you know how that works, my visually impaired audience that's sub to the channel, I haven't done much time in exploring that, but hey, if I don't know something and the tip is greatly appreciated. If you're liking this video, please give this video a like. If you want content more like this, sub to the channel would also be fantastic, and it's free. And turn on all notifications to know when I make a live stream or upload a video.
Hand off a FaceTime call. In the menu bar, the FaceTime icon is clicked. A menu appears with a green switch button.
Alright, hand off a FaceTime. This stuff has not worked for me at all. Group FaceTime calls, it's worked. But personal FaceTime calls, nothing's handing off. Nothing's working. It just doesn't want to work.
Use your iPhone as a webcam. In the menu bar, the pointer clicks the FaceTime icon. The pointer clicks the camera icon and camera options appear.
Alright, so I was wondering how that worked. That's cool. You can, I have a tripod here in the studio that I could put where it'll have the phone right above the top of the lid of the MacBook, but I have a 1080p webcam on this 16-inch MacBook Pro, so I don't have to really worry about that. But if I wanted that, cool.
Show what's on your desk. During the FaceTime call, a window shows a view of what's on the desk and another view of a person.
So that's cool. So I would actually set that up to show what's on my desk, like when I do an unboxing video. If I'm going to do one live, I'll set that up with OBS.
Explore more tips. Abstract colors.
So you're going to explore more tips and more features by visiting apple.com/macOS.
Heading.
So there you go.
Period.
That's what's new. We'll get into my experience with macOS over the last 72 hours, and I'll see you all over there on that nice little rant. Alright, so there's not going to be that much visual as there was at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to talk about my experience of how I installed macOS on this MacBook Pro 16-inch. Late 2021 model. So first, it was not what I expected, coming from a item that's $2,000. It was expensive, and I'm still coming over that cold, so bear with me. The MacBook Pro is it's great. I love the computer. I'm not gonna trash it. It's when I got with the software to install from macOS Monterey to Ventura. The upgrade experience was nice until you got to the accessibility side with VoiceOver. VoiceOver, when I went up to the menu bars,
Status menus. OBS Studio.
like the menu status and menu bar on my MacBook Air, I noticed that it was doing
Performance Core 3 highest. 52 degrees Celsius
It would read one voice, Performance Core 3, and then it would read
Core 3
something
highest
else.
CPU. 52 degrees Celsius override system
So
enabled.
like
Status
it would do,
menu.
like it would do this.
Coconut battery menu.
It would do coconut battery menu in Samantha, and then
99% status menu.
in Tom. So that's what it would do. And I was like, okay, to fix that, you go voiceover utility,
menu bar, Apple.
and you go, and then you do VOM.
Voiceover utility file. Import export preference. Set up portable reset basic reset custom reset all voiceover preferences.
You want to do reset all voiceover preferences to fix any voiceover voices, two voices speaking at once when it comes to items on your computer. That will happen. That is a bug in macOS Ventura, especially if you were running the betas and you want to know how to fix
Closing
that.
menu. Utility categories.
Now, if you go and get a MacBook Pro like mine and have the experience where the following stuff
Austin's local media.
does not show up, this voice, which is Tom,
Voice. Tom. Enhanced. United States.
or
Siri, Samantha,
Bravo, United States. Read, row.
Nikki,
Nathan.
Chelsea,
Nathan. Enhanced.
Nathan.
United States.
Grandma, Fred,
Evan. Enhanced. United
Evan.
States. Eddie. Alex. Aaron. Alex. United States.
Alex would not show up on
MS Coverly. MP3.
this computer. The only way I was able to fix that was I had to go get the MacBook Air, reinstall via an M1 IPSW, and reinstall all my data from an external backup, from an external hard drive. Thank God I was able to, I did that when I was on macOS Monterey 12.6 and was able to pull the data down, and those bugs have been fixed. So, all in all, the software experience since I've done that reset, reinstall everything, reset everything, it's been awesome. I cannot complain with my Mac right now, and it's running smooth. I guess this whole system-wide reset was needed, and a fresh install from an external computer was the best thing to fix the bugs. So if you're having issues, that's the way to fix it. But ever since I did that Sunday night into Monday, so the last 48 hours, I've been using this computer off and on, even with me being sick. I have nothing to complain about right now, and hopefully that stays the same for 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days from now. So anyways, thank you for watching this What's New Tips / my thoughts after 72 hours of running macOS Ventura officially now, after fixing the problems. Sorry, it took me quite a while, actually a month almost, to get to this because of the fact that I was sick, busy, and had other things in the way and could not get to this Mac to really sit down and figure out how to fix it. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Later. Peace.